Here you see I am passing the request parameter. You will see its use a lot throughout the Django project. In simple terms, it is actually used as a request handler which is sent from the front end. This views.py file is actually used as a controller for that request. Now let's define two paths for these two functions in the urls.py file. So let's copy it and then paste it twice. I will define one of these as the path for login and the last one for logout. So first type login / inside the quotes, then write views.loginView, which we have just defined as a function in the views.py file. And finally we need to give it a name, so name equals login. Now we do the same for logout. The only difference is that we have to write it as logout because we have created a function for it in the views.py file. Now let's go to the views.py file where we will work with our login form. Although we have defined this login view function, we will mainly use it if we create a separate login page. For now, we will keep the login form on the home page. For now, we will block and deactivate this code base of this login view function. We will work on login authentication in the home function. So now let's go to the home.html page and start working on the login form here. So, define a div tag inside the block content tag and write class equals call md5 followed by offset md5. Then, close the div tag just before the end block tag. Let's check if everything is okay or not. So let's refresh the web browser. Oh, sorry. We made a small mistake. Let's fix it. Let's go to the urls.py file. Look, here we have defined a path for login, but it is not needed for now because we manage login form on the home page. So let's keep the two URLs login and logout inactive. Let me check again now. Nice, now it's fine. You can see that the text is almost centered. Let's go to the home page to design the login form. Change the text inside the H tag to login. Now write the form tag and use post as the method. Because we will have to send the data we input from the front end to the back end. In this case, by data we mean our username and password. Because with this data we will check the user's authentication. And define the type action equals URL and home inside the quotation marks. Because we will manage your login form from home. One thing we need to remember is that if we want to ensure the security of any form in a Django application, we must use Django's CSRF token tag. Because it will help protect the Django application from various types of unethical activities such as hacking.